So thank you so much for your purchase. I appreciate the support so much. If you're wondering why I'm cheesing, it's because I demonstrated a new trick in this video and y'all are getting it first. Like, I haven't even put this up on YouTube yet. Maybe I'll put it up on YouTube, maybe I won't. Yeah, if you're interested, I mean, obviously you are, because you got the lashes, right? But if you're interested in a couple of tricks that I picked up on how to make your lash pop, you know what I'm saying, stay tuned. First things first, you're going to need a pair of Ma'aM Linda J lashes. These are my own personal pair of fluff. I think they're so cute. You're going to need some eyelash glue, a pair of scissors. I've had these scissors for some time. I think they're cuticle scissors because of how they are curved, but I don't know. But you can find this at like your local Walgreens or CVS. You're going to need a pair of eyelash tweezers, and you're going to need eyelash curlers. I kind of found this trick by another MUA that I was watching, and I was like, oh my god, why didn't I think of that, you know, a long time ago? But it really does make a difference. So let's get started. Get a pair of lashes. I will not be demonstrating how to cut the lashes, only because these are already customized to the size and the length of my eye. So what you're going to do though, because when you get these, they have a little bit of a free edge on either side of the lash strip. So you're just going to take a pair of scissors and you're going to cut that off. Then I would take it and I would place it on my eye and see if, well, this don't have any glue on it, but see if I like the placement and the length, right? So I would put it on like that. Well, this would be glued down, but I would put it on like that. And if it was a little longer on either edge, I would take a pair of scissors and I would cut it to the size that I want. That's why you would need a pair of scissors. The eyelash curler. Now, I saw somebody on social media do this trick and I thought it was ingenious. Like, why didn't I think of that sooner? Take the eyelash, whoop, right? You take your eyelash, holding it like this where the strip is. I'm gonna take the eyelash curler, stick it in here, right? So now it's in here like that. You see it? It's in here. So all I'm gonna do is curl it so that it like really opens up, right? And I don't have to be walking around like this, so you can see the style of the lash. So I'm gonna curl it, take it out, and it's curled. Bloop. Put a little bit of glue on here. What you're gonna do is, while that dries, draw a line across your lash line with the glue. Wait until that gets a little tacky, like you would the lash itself. Grab your lash tweezers. And what that does, when you put the lash glue on the lash and on your eyelid, it acts like a magnet. So you're gonna take it and it's going to, well, I don't know what this is. I'll take it and go just like this, because it's gonna be one tacky side to the other tacky side. Ooh, ooh, look at how easy that was. Ooh, girl, don't pull your own eyelashes. Look at how easy that was. You don't have to worry about messing up your makeup. Pop those bad boys on and you're done. What? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. What? Now let's go ahead and demonstrate with the other eye so you can be on your way. You could put on mascara too. For this demonstration, I don't feel like putting on any mascara. You're going to take your lash, right? Take your lash, put it in the eyelash curler like this. You see it? This is, you see it? You're just gonna take it and you're going to curl them. Bloop. There you go. Curl it, take it out. And they are now like curl like nobody's business. You hear me? Nobody's business. I got my lashes in the tweezers, the lash tweezers. You're gonna grab the glue, put a little bit of glue on here like this. You're going to line your eye. Line your eye so that the lash will land. Now I got this one because again it goes on like a little white, a little iridescent, but it dries clear. As soon as I discovered that, I stopped using the black one. Wait till it gets a little tacky, a little dry. If y'all can tell that this is, I mean, obviously this is the least wig. Don't judge me, judge your mama. And it sticks like, yo, like, what was I doing with my life before? Like, what? What? Pinch your lashes together. And you're done. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. Bloop. Can't tell me nothing. All right. Thank you so much. I hope you learned a thing or two. I hope this was quite entertaining. And, you know, just thank you. Thank you again for your support. I appreciate it. Bye.